Kicker has made an addition to their compact, powered subwoofer Hideaway line. We reviewed the HS8 a few years ago and saw it at CES. Check that video if you haven't seen it yet. At CES 2020, Kicker showed off their brand new 10-inch version, the HS10. Kicker changed the design of the Hideaway with the HS10, raising the grille of the subwoofer above the body of the enclosure, rather than making it flush like on the HS8. They also designed their logo into the mold of the enclosure. Despite the upgrade in subwoofer size, the HS10 is only 2 millimeters taller than the HS8, and the HS10 delivers more power with 180 watts RMS versus 150 watts RMS with the HS8. It can fit in tight spots like beneath or behind the seat, in the center console, or in the trunk. The Hideaway also weighs just under 12 pounds. Another change Kicker made, they added their FIT Plus fail-safe integration technology plus, accepting input signals ranging from 0.25 volts to 40 volts, which ensures that the HS10 works with just about any vehicle on the road without the need of a line output converter. The HS10 comes with a remote bass control to adjust levels up front. The Hideaway comes with an adjustable low-pass crossover, variable plus 6 dB bass boost phase switch, and 2 auto turn-on options, DC offset or signal sensing. It features both high and low level inputs, so you can use both factory and aftermarket radio and speakers in a phase switch to prevent cancellation issues for max output and 2 automatic turn-on options. The Hideaway comes with a quick connect Molex plug and harness for power, signal, and remote turn-on. Obviously, this isn't the most powerful thing in the world, but it's perfect for people new to car audio who just want a little extra bump without the stress or costs of installing several pieces of gear and wiring. The HS10 will hit the market in early 2020. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.